Hey guys, I'm in a city, Perm, in Russia. Originally I came here to take part in a meditation retreat, but last minute it was cancelled and me and my friend we just decided to come here anyways and explore the city because it's bigger than my hometown and we just wanted to see, you know, different things around here. The city is famous for its theaters. You can see one behind me, and in general, yeah, it should be a cool place. You see, it's also really beautiful, a lot of snow and a lot of Christmas decorations. So I will take you with me and I will show you some things here. Oh, by the way, maybe you've noticed I've disappeared and I haven't posted anything for a month or so. It's all because I've been catching colds all the time and it was really annoying. And I still have this thing from my last cold, so I hope it's okay and you forgive me for my imperfect look. But actually it's okay, I don't mind it. It's natural, you know, part of healing process. But now I'm feeling better and I hope to make more videos for you guys. Yeah, so I'm just walking here in the city center and the plan is to just, you know, walk around, go to different cafes, restaurants, try local food, and also we are planning to go to a historical village and see the ancient wooden architecture from this region. And also I will go to a theater tomorrow, so I'm very excited about that.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days.
I like the city center because there are so many modern buildings, but at the same time also like buildings from the 18th century and a lot of Soviet influence. Here is a statue of Lenin, but I like it. And the weather is just perfect. It's not very cold, so it's nice to walk outside, and there is a lot of snow and so many New Year or Christmas decorations. While traveling, I found out that Perm region is known for its salt works. The first salt furnaces appeared here in the 15th century, and they supplied salt all over Russia for 200 years. Special workers were carrying 80 kg salt sacks on their heads for 11 hours every day. The salt irritated the skin on their ears and they became red and swollen. In the evenings, the salt carriers went to a tavern to chill after a hard day of work. As soon as they took off their hats, everyone would notice that the man's salty ears has come. So those salty ears have become a symbol of the city. We're just walking down the main street. It's probably very loud here, but I like it. It's our first evening in the city and it seems really cozy. Also, you can see lots of bears all over Perm. First of all, a bear can be found on the coat of arms. It's all because there are lots of animals living in local forests. Moreover, the bear is special for Komi peoples who lived in this area. They wrote tales, songs and legends about the creature. There were even special holidays to honor the bear. Now the bear is carrying a Bible on his back to show the Christian enlightenment of the city. Bears and other animals are also depicted on ancient art objects of finno-ugric tribes who inhabited this Ural region. It is called Perm animal style. style. I personally really liked it. It reminded me of Aboriginal art in Australia and some other art around the world. So we've come to this restaurant and here they serve the food, the national cuisine of this region, and it's similar to the Udmurt food, the region where I was born, and it's based on a lot of herbs and different kinds of mushrooms, and they have lots of pastry, and on the walls they have instructions of how to make this pastry. Maybe you can see. Yeah, I'm very excited to try it. It was really cold and there was a lot of snow. So here I'm just chilling. It's warm and they will bring us some food that I've never tried before. So I will show you. Yeah, let's see. Look at these things. They're like knives for cutting different herbs or maybe meat or fish. And you put those things into this thing, I don't know, made of wood, and then you cut it with this axe or knife. I don't know what you call it, but my grandfather used to have one of these. And I think it's really cool. So when you make, for example, Russian pies or dumplings, you can prepare the stuffing in here. This is a traditional soup. It's herbal soup. Yeah, and this one is the traditional drink. It's called zbitin. It's water with different spices, kind of like mulled wine, but based on water. You know these little pies, they're called pasikunchiki, and in Russian it's a really strange name because it sounds like someone is peeing, and apparently, yeah, the name is kind of logical because if you take this one with meat, then you can see that the sauce is like dripping, so yeah, and you need to drink it. Yeah, it's good. These are the letters of the native language that they speak in this region. Yeah, I like this cafe. If you're here one day, you can come and see and try their food. And now we're gonna go home. We need to get ready for the theater and just relax a little bit.
2 hours later.
So today I'm in the theater here in Perm. It's the theater of opera and ballet, and it's named after Tchaikovsky. And I was really looking forward to going to a theater here because, you know, it's quite famous because I don't know if you're familiar with the Russian theater culture, but one of the best theaters here is Mariinsky Theater, which is located in St. Petersburg, and it's one of the best ones in Russia. But during the Second World War, the whole theater Mariinsky was evacuated to Perm, here in the middle of Russia. And that's how the theaters here improved sufficiently. And all the best, you know, ballet dancers, they lived here for a while. And even right now, the quality of ballet and opera in Perm is really amazing. So, and today there is a premiere of Faust, which is an opera, and yeah, I'm really excited to see it. Let's go. The new play was well received by the audience, even though it was a modern interpretation of the original opera and there were some controversial parts. But the singers were singing in French and their voices were just amazing. I enjoyed this show so much, and if you're ever in Perm, I recommend you to check out this theater. You will not regret it. Maybe you can see in the background the workers are building an ice village. Yeah, I would like to see it, but now I can't because there is this fence here. But it looks really interesting. Here there are just these huge blocks of ice, and then they turn them into these sculptures. Yeah, they're really big. I don't know if you can see, but there is a heart on this building, and there is like a special computer here. You need to scan a QR code, and then you need to choose the lights on this building, and that's what I've chosen.
For the night, stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not.
So I hope you've enjoyed walking around Perm with me. It was a really short trip, so we haven't seen everything, but the things that we saw made a really good impression on me. I enjoyed the city so much. I like that there are a lot of concerts and events there, and also I enjoyed learning about the culture of people who live there. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and special thanks to my Patreon and PayPal supporters. You are the best. Have a great day. Bye.
And you're beautiful.